everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to BenefitMall Payroll service. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. BenefitMall Inc. provides products, services, and tools to help in the sales of employee benefits to businesses. And if you'd like to log into BenefitMall Payroll service, go and click open your web browser first. And in the URL box type in BenefitMall Payroll Login. From the search result, you can go ahead and click on this link right here, which will take you to www.payrollonline.com. Type in your username on the next page. Make sure to type it in correct. If you don't have a username yet, you can click on the new user registration link and follow the instructions to register first. After you're done typing in your username, click next. On the next page, you'll be able to see a password box appearing. Type in your password in the text box. Make sure to type it in correct. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on the Forgot Your Password link right below and follow the instructions to reset to a new one. You can double check your password by clicking on the eye icon in the right corner, which you should see right here on the display. Once you click on it, the password that you just typed in will be revealed. After everything's done, click on Sign In and you'll be able to log into BenefitMall Payroll services quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.